Hey everyone, and welcome back to Remember This Tech. In today's video, we've got a power supply unboxing review sent over from one of the most respected brands in the industry, Seasonic. Seasonic sent over their Focus GX-850 ATX 3.0 power supply for review, and we're doing a full review and unboxing. First look. This right here is an 850 watt 80 plus gold power supply, fully modular, built for modern GPUs like the RTX 50 series and AMD's latest cards with native PCIe 5.0 support. I've owned Seasonic products for probably over 20 years. If you're looking for the name with one of the longest warranties in the industry, well, Seasonic's got it because it's got a 10-year warranty on this Focus product. So without further ado, let's crack this box open and see what it's like, what the cable selections are, and what the build quality looks like, shall we? Come on, let's go! Right away, the packaging is clean and premium. This is Seasonic's latest Focus GX series, and it's built for the ATX 3.0 and PCI Express power standards, meaning it's designed to properly handle modern GPU power spikes and provide all the power you'll need. On the box, we'll see that it states it's a 80 plus gold efficiency and fully modular design. Premium components, native PCIe 5.0 support, and a 10-year warranty. Looking on the side here, we'll see some power specs, and I'll go with all of those in a bit and put them on screen as well. And on the back, it tells you its efficiency and more specs as we go along. Let's go over some of these first looks and specs here. This unit itself is a fairly compact unit. The dimensions are 140 by 150 by 86 millimeters. So it fits easily in most mid-towers and maybe even some smaller cases. This is what you want to see. Seasonic. In the box, you get like a Steam e-gift card chance to win. Register your product. We've got the instruction manual, user manual, important things, warranty support information in different languages. And then you've got a small installation guide here. If you don't know how to do that, it tells you how to mount it properly, direction, and how to plug it in. It shows you where all the various plugins go and such like that. A wealth of information in case you're new to building PCs. And it's rare that a power supply would come with this nowadays, so thankful that they do provide this. Also, we've got on the top, we've got some cable management zip ties. We got screws for the power supply mounting, and we also have some Velcro ties as well, which is pretty cool. Let's take out some of the stuff and get a closer look. Premium packaging. Everything is like laid out perfectly. Your power supply cord, and here is your bag of cables. Convenient so you don't lose them, mismatch them, and we'll take a look at all of them in a minute. And we got foam padding for the power supply, and again, put this to the side. More foam padding for the bottom. Got the main power supply unit in its separate bag here. It's kind of like a Christmas present unwrapping, I guess. There you go. This has a clean black matte finish with a nice solid weight to it. No cheap metal feel here. Cooling is handled by a large 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan with Seasonic's S3FC hybrid fan control. And this is one of Seasonic's signature features. It has a hybrid silent fan control, and this is one of the feature standouts for Seasonic's power supplies is their hybrid silent fan control, And this is a Seasonic patent 3-phase thermal control design that automatically balances silence and cooling depending on the system load and temperature. It operates in 3 different stages. Stage 1 is a fanless mode. At low loads, roughly about 30% load, the fan doesn't spin up at all. That means 0 noise, 0 vibration, complete silent operation during desktop and use in light workloads. Your PC literally is running on passive cooling from the power supply. Stage 2 is still considered silent mode, and as the load increases, the fan ramps up at a very low RPM, so it cools the power supply. During gaming or moderate workloads, the fan spins quietly and you still get excellent airflow, and it stays basically, barely inaudible inside a normal case. And then we got stage 3, which is cooling mode, where the system would be under heavy load, pulling a lot of power from your power supply, and like high-end gaming workstation rendering, that's when the system fans would ramp up for maximum cooling. This ensures that stable power delivery and safe operating temperatures for long-term reliability. So you get silent operation when you don't need cooling and strong airflow when you do. So this power supply is rated for around 50,000 hours with a lifespan rated at 40C and 100,000 hours MTBF excluding the fan. Supports a full range of AC inputs, 100 to 200 volts, 50 and 60 hertz. And it delivers a massive 70 amps on the 12 volt rail. I mean, that's amazing. 840 watts on the 12 volt rail alone, and the full 850 watts of continuous power. It also includes over power protection, over voltage and under voltage, over current, over temperature, and short circuit. So your system is going to be protected from basically every electrical failure scenario. This certifications and compliance, this power supply unit meets global safety and efficiency, including CTUV, US, TUV, CB, CCC, BSMI, EAC, CA, Energy Star, ROHS, WEEE, REACH, ERP Lot 6. So it's certified for use worldwide. As I stated before, this is a fully modular power supply. Okay? And it's not that huge. It's fairly compact as well. So I like it. It feels really beefy, and I love the design. We're going to go over some of the specs here. Seasonic gives you all the cables you'll ever need. Beefy. So these have like a coating on them. They're individually sleeved black cables. So you only install what you need. Obviously you need this one. This is your 24-pin power supply motherboard connector. So yeah, obviously you need that. This right here is your native PCIe 5 GPU cable, and it's rated at up to 600 watts for this by itself, in case you have one of those high-end NVIDIA GPUs. This right here is for your 8-pin CPU power, and you can disconnect this, and if your board only does a 4-pin, you can do that as well. Now we got some SATA connections here for SATA power, for SATA devices, and not to be undone, we have legacy support with Molex connectors here, and then we have more SATA connectors here. So there's 4 SATA power here, and then there's 4 here, total of 8, and there'll be 3 Molex connectors here. And there is another power supply connector here, so you've got a total of 2 of those. So these are 2 8-pin CPU power connectors with 8 pins each, 750 millimeter in length, and this power supply ATX is 700 millimeters long. For our PCI Express, we have a total of 3 PCI 8-pin cables. In case you need to run that 9070 XT, it takes 3 of these And these are 950 millimeters total length. That is all we have for this product. So, very good quality feel, great quality power supply, really beefy heat sinks in here, a lot of weight. I love the fan design and how it has efficient cooling and also silent. And my final thoughts about this is that you're not just buying a power supply. This power supply could last for many different PCs. When you invest in a good quality name brand power supply, you're getting the peace of mind that it's going to be powering your system. It's like your heartbeat of your system, pumping the blood. In this case, it's electricity throughout your system. You're buying this power supply and you're getting name brand quality, recognition, and quality craftsmanship. Never, ever, ever skimp on a power supply. Like, I've used quality power supplies, Seasonic units, over 10 years in a couple different builds. I went from one to the other and I just kept the power supply efficient power to power multiple builds. And it was like an investment. Plus, it's a protection from your key components in your system, your motherboard, graphics card, everything else. Because if you're getting dirty power into your computer, you're basically taking a chance. You don't want to ever take a chance. And that's why one of your key systems you never skimp on is your power supply. This Seasonic Focus GX-850 ATX 3.1 on paper, this is exactly what you want in a modern power supply. 80 plus gold efficiency, native PCIe 5 GPU support, fully modular protected cables, hybrid fanless cooling, full electrical protection, and a 10-year warranty. Who else in today's day and age is offering that? And huge thanks to Seasonic for sending out this unit for review. And I'll be installing this on an upcoming build, so stay tuned for a real-world implementation of this power supply. And that editing computer that I'm putting in, my main editing rig, is also my gaming rig. So it takes a lot of power. It needs a lot of power, and it needs steady delivery, and I need security I can trust, so that's where it's going to go. So if you're into this kind of content, make sure that you're subscribed, hit the like button because it doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out, and hype this video if you liked it, because it's a new feature that YouTube's promoting for smaller channels, and that's also one of the ways I'll get discovered and helps me out as well. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, look forward to more PC content of this type coming up, and thanks for watching. Remember this tech.